Have you ever wondered how to protect your organization from ransomware attacks? Welcome to the world of cybersecurity, a realm where invisible threats lurk in every corner of the digital landscape. One of the most prevalent of these threats is ransomware. This malicious software slips into your systems, encrypts your data, and then demands a ransom to restore access. It's like a digital hostage situation, and it's causing havoc worldwide. Ransomware attacks have skyrocketed in recent years, with cybercriminals targeting everyone from individuals to large corporations, even entire cities. The cost of these attacks can be astronomical, not just in terms of the ransom demanded, but also the disruption to business operations and the potential damage to reputation. Understanding ransomware and how to prevent and respond to it is not just a good idea. It's a necessity in today's digital world. The good news is there are effective strategies and best practices that can significantly reduce your risk and help you respond effectively if an attack does happen. So let's dive into some of the best practices to prevent and respond to these cyber threats. Prevention is better than cure, especially when it comes to ransomware. There are several key practices that can help protect your organization from the ever-looming threat of cyber attack. First on the list is data encryption. This acts as a fortress, safeguarding your sensitive information from the prying eyes of cybercriminals. By converting your data into a code, it becomes unreadable to anyone who doesn't have the decryption key. Next, consider the age-old adage, don't put all your eggs in one basket. In the context of cybersecurity, this translates to regular backup and recovery. By keeping secure copies of your data, you can restore your system in the unfortunate event of a ransomware attack without having to pay the ransom. But no system is foolproof unless the people operating it are well-informed. This brings us to employee training. A well-trained workforce can identify phishing attempts and other social engineering tactics, acting as a strong line of defense against cybercriminals. Another preventive measure is patch management. Keeping all software and devices up to date is like maintaining the walls of your fortress. Regularly applying security patches helps address vulnerabilities, closing any potential windows of opportunity for cyber criminals. Lastly, consider network segmentation. Imagine your network as a castle with multiple rooms. By segmenting your network, you limit the movement of potential attackers, making it harder for them to access all areas of your castle. These prevention practices can significantly reduce your organization's risk of falling victim to a ransomware attack. But what if you're already under attack? In the unfortunate event of a ransomware attack, knowing how to respond is crucial. When ransomware strikes, a robust incident response plan is your lifeline. This plan should outline the immediate actions to be taken, such as disconnecting the infected system to prevent further damage. It should also detail the process of identifying the ransomware variant and assessing the extent of the breach. Prompt reporting is another key aspect of the response process. Cybersecurity incidents like ransomware attacks should be reported to authorities such as the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, or CISA, and the Federal Bureau of Investigation, or FBI, without delay. These authorities can provide guidance and assistance, helping you navigate through the crisis. Prompt reporting can also aid in preventing further attacks, as it allows authorities to track the threat and warn others. Having a recovery plan is equally important. This involves restoring your data from secure backups, ensuring business continuity without giving in to the demands of the culprits. Remember, being prepared and knowing how to respond can make all the difference when dealing with ransomware attacks. Ransomware attacks can be daunting, but with the right practices in place, you can safeguard your organization effectively. Remember, a strong defense includes data encryption, regular backups, and a well-trained workforce. Patch management and network segmentation are also key. Should an attack occur, a robust incident response plan and prompt reporting can make a world of difference. But don't stop here. The world of cybersecurity is ever evolving, so stay informed, stay updated. And that wraps up our guide on ransomware best practices. Don't forget to subscribe to DemystifyTech for more insights into the world of cybersecurity. Until next time, stay safe and secure.